What's going on, everyone? Just want to introduce you a tool that I find is pretty useful in case you come across a situation with a frozen water line in your refrigerator, water dispenser. And this I find is pretty inexpensive. You could get it on Amazon. Definitely going to save yourself money from a service call that way you could just simply fix it yourself. Let me show you what I'm talking about when you come across a situation. Now, as you can see here, if I press the water, nothing's coming out. You hear the noise, but nothing's coming out. That's because the line is frozen. I'm going to show you how we could use this tool so it can fix the problem. Okay, everyone. Now I'm back. So basically, I put a little cup here. So once the water starts to run, I don't want anything to drip on the floor. Obviously, I would suggest you do that as well. So this is the tool. This is the line. Now, what we're going to do is we'll stick it up to the water line. And as you notice, if as I'm able to defrost the ice and so forth, it'll be able to push forward. And then once you see that it's able to push forward, you're in progress. So I pretty much filled this up with some hot water so it can melt the ice. And what I'm going to start to do is inject it slowly. See, there we go. And in some cases, you may have to do this more than once, depending how much ice and how deep the line, how much ice is in the water line. So I'm pushing it up. See how the water's coming out. Okay, that's all the water I have. So, take it out. Let's see if it works now. Okay, we have to do it again. Now, as I'm away from the camera, I'm filling it up with more with hot water. So like I said before, sometimes you may have to do it more than once. Okay, let's go back to it now. See more of that frozen water. See, I'm defrosting that water. Yeah, no, it's not perfect. Try to get as much as I can. Yep, now it's going further up. Let's see, I got some. Okay. Not yet. Go ahead and do it again. See, cold water is kind of cold. Water is nice, so more than so good. Make it nice, so good. There we go. Now it's fixed, y'all. And there you have it. It's going to clean it up. Next time, of course, use a little bigger bowl. That'll be able to catch most of the water as you go through this. But as you can see, it's an inexpensive tool that you could use. And you could get it on Amazon. Again, I'm going to provide the link in the description. Just be sure to look out for it. Look out for more of my videos. Like, subscribe, and share if you find this information useful for you or for someone else that's going through a problem. Thank you.